you ever had a decision made in one department? Looks perfect on paper and meets every KPI, but not a month later, chaos has been caused in other areas of the business. If you've seen this, you're not alone. It's a classic symptom of one of the largest, most costly problems found in the industry, the data silo. Let me give you a real-world example of this. A company's procurement does an outstanding job. They negotiate a great deal on critical raw material by purchasing in bulk from the company. This saves the company 15% against their budget. They hit this goal, and on paper, it's a huge win. But that decision resides in their data silo. The manufacturing team, who has their own forecast, is not prepared for the massive shipment that they are about to receive. They must scramble, reschedule production, and redelegate manpower to handle it. Meanwhile, the logistics and warehouse teams were also not in the loop and are facing major crisis. There is no warehouse space. They are forced to pay premium rates for temporary off-site storage locations. By the time you add cost of production interruptions and surprise warehousing fees, the 15% saving is completely wiped, and actually the decision ends up costing the company more money. This is called efficiency illusion, where one department creates a decision based on success and ends up in company-wide failure. This isn't a problem with people, it is a problem with the system. Most companies run in a collection of disconnected islands. The procurement department has software, finance has theirs, and factories have another. Each one speaks a different language across different priorities. Trying to manage a modern supply chain this way is like trying to conduct an orchestra where every musician has different sheet music. This leads to just noise and chaos. A software company may try and sell you new software, an instrument in this case, but it doesn't solve the root problem you're facing. You need a conductor that makes sure everybody is playing from the same score. This is where the engineering approach is critical. At Design Systems, we act as conductors across departments. We don't jump to recommending software. We start by mapping the entire process and the data flow from the company. We identify where communication breaks down between silos. We then engineer bridges. We design integrated workflows and systems that allow data to close seamlessly between departments, so everyone is on the same page. The goal is to create a single source of truth, unified view of entire operation from your suppliers to the factory, to your customer's doorstep. This allows your team to stop making isolated good decisions and start making great ones. Stop letting departmental wins create enterprise-level failures. Building the bridge between your data silos isn't just an IT project. It's a fundamental engineering challenge that requires the deep understanding of industrial processes.